Ishq Vish Pyar Vyar, I sang that song more than a year ago. Gore Gore was recorded just a few weeks before it released. In fact, in Gore Gore, Badshah was like, you know, I didn't want to trouble you with this song because it's just 2 lines. अगर मुझे ये भी बोलना बादशाह कि सिर्फ चश्मा मा इतना गाना पड़ेगा मैं वो भी गा देती. Both the songs are such super hit songs that I'm just thrilled to be like to get to say कि ये अब मैंने भी गाया. The label also was very clear that they wanted me to sing it. Ishq vishq pyar vyar. You're not singing with me.
I don't want to spoil the song.
Hey guys, this is Nikita Gandhi and you're watching me on Filmy.
Hi, this is Darshukla and today I have with me
Nikita Gandhi. Why did I introduce myself? And we're going to sing Ishq vishq pyar vyar. You're not singing with me.
I don't want to spoil the song. But I love it. Yeah. Coming to Ishq Vishq. Firstly, a very warm welcome. Were you scared, excited because Ishq Vishq Pyar Vyar and Gore Gore Mukhre Pe, both songs classic cult, and you know doing it again? Obviously, the it's different. Obviously, it's a not exactly the same. But how was it for you?
I think I was just excited. No, not scared, because like I mean I don't think it's वो तो audience पे है, like you know you like the song, don't like the song, but I was just so excited to you know with Ishq Vish Pyar Vyar share the song with Sonu ji, who re-sang his own song 20 years later, and I think this is my first song with him, so such a cool moment for me to be able to sing with the the original singer on a song that I have grown up listening to, and yeah, and both the songs are such super hit songs that I'm just thrilled to be like to get to say कि ये अब मैंने भी गाया.
अब मेरा गाना भी है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
When you got to know, when you were offered the song, okay, so अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि the dub versions are recorded first and then you're approached, or how was it? Or you were directly offered the song?
No, like I think both the songs, the label also was very clear that they wanted me to sing it.
Wow.
And I think in case of Ishq Vish Pyar Vyar, I sang that song more than a year ago. तो 2023 में शायद मैंने गाया था, like beginning में, और अभी I think तब फिल्म में मतलब तब से वो production, obviously film takes a year to get made and all of that, so उस time से record किया हुआ है, and Gore Gore was recorded just a few weeks before it released. So I think in fact in Gore Gore, Badshah was like, I didn't want to trouble you with this song because it's just 2 lines, like there's just such a small part, so like do you really want to sing it? I was like, bro, even if it was 1 word I would sing it, because it's like such a cult song, and just to be a part of it is
Gore Gore Mukhre Pe Kala Kala Chashma. Love the song. Both the songs, I really like it. इतना बहुत vibe करने वाला गाना है.
बिल्कुल. अगर मुझे ये भी बोलना बादशाह कि सिर्फ चश्मा मा इतना गाना पड़ेगा मैं वो भी गा देती. I was like, who will say no to that?
Like you said, Badshah said कि 2 लाइनें हैं, will you be okay doing it or not? But ऐसा और भी पहले होता होगा. अभी भी बहुत सारे cases में होता है. Are you in general, like ये case अलग है because the songs are nice and everything, but in general are you okay with just singing a line or 2 in a song, or you want, like you're someone I was like I want an extensive part?
So I think in film music I don't think so much about, like there's no ego.
अच्छा.
Because or there's no that complex is not कि एक ही line है या जो भी है, because we have to understand in film music it's about the film, it's about the situation. शायद उस situation में एक ही line fit हो रही होगी. So there's, it's not about you कि अरे मैं तो ऐसे पूरा गाऊंगी नहीं तो नहीं गाऊंगी, मतलब मेरे लिए थोड़ी ना बन रहा है गाना, फिल्म के लिए बन रहा है गाना. So I think that perspective is very important for film music.
Wow. Talking about Ishq Vishq and you in real life, how are you? Like, are you an old school lover or belong to this Ishq Vishq rebound generation?
Relationship versus situationship, is that the question?
Right. Thanks for that.
Yeah, because I remember at the song launch, this question was asked a lot to the cast. So their answers were quite interesting. Funnily enough, everybody said monogamy. Like I think everyone said that, and I feel the same way. We were discussing this just yesterday, me and a bunch of my friends. because a lot of people are in open relationships, a lot of people are in situationships, whatever that means.
और बहुत सारे ships हैं which I
बहुत
don't
सारे
even
ships
know.
हैं,
Yeah.
जहाज, लाइफ बोट, पता नहीं, मतलब बहुत सारे रूप में हैं.
Yeah.
बट मुझे like I'm old school for sure. Like I think I'm all about
Commitments. Yeah.
I
commitments.
can't, and for me there has to be an emotional bond and a
Right,
very
right.
strong one. Yeah.
Not just going around here and there. No,
I can't do that.
I think it affects the mental health also.
No, I really love that people can do that. I think it's really
difficult.
cool, and I've had these discussions with so many of my friends that how do you do this? Like, how are you so? I think it also comes from that a lot of self-confidence is required to be so compartmentalized in life. I'm not like that, but I do salute people who are like that, because I think that's a choice, right?
That's a choice.
Yeah.
Right. Talking about singing, who do you look up to when, bachpan se, like you said, you were dancing and then it evoked your love for music. But there are, we look up to someone always.
For me, it's not been like looking up to somebody. I think it's just been like a love for music. Like my relationship with music has not been monogamous. Because like literally, I used to learn Hindustani, but I used to listen to like pop and R&B and jazz. So my love for music came in so many shapes and forms, and my grandparents had LPs जिनमें मैं जगजीत सिंह, चित्रा सिंह के गज़ल भी सुन रही हूँ और फ्रैंक सिनाट्रा लाइव इन न्यूयॉर्क भी सुन रही हूँ. मैं The Doors was a rock band. I had this rock phase also where I used to do maths only listening to like old school like rock and roll. So like my love with music has been so polygamous. It's unbelievable, and I think it shows definitely now also in
whatever the
craft.
work you do. Yeah.
Because it's always keeps changing.
Yeah, I think that's the only polygamy that's good.
But I don't know about that, but in my life that's the only polygamy.
Yeah, the relationship with your art, basically.
Yes.
Well, before I move on to my next segment, lastly I want to ask one thing. Do awards matter to you? Like, do you seek validation in awards?
For the most part, no. They do matter. I don't seek validation in them.
Right. They're different.
Yeah, because of course they matter, because it always feels good to get an award. Of course, like you can't, it's undeniable that if you're being celebrated through an award, it's like, a pat on the back. It's like, okay, I'm in the right direction, or people are celebrating, but it doesn't mean everything. It doesn't mean that if Tere Pyar Mein got an award doesn't mean, Gore Gore, and if Gore Gore did not, it doesn't mean that it's so or whatever it is, कि और अब हम nominate हुए नहीं जीते, उसमें भी it doesn't mean anything against you.
Right.
It could maybe boost your spirit, but it's never it should never be like a deterrent.
Right.
Why did I not get nominated this year? Or whatever. I don't think it should matter.
Because sometimes your songs are chartbusters.
Even if they're chartbusters, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have to define you in any way.
Right. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was pleasure talking to you.
All
the very best. Same here. All the very best for whatever you do.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.